Are you craving creativity in your life, but you don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Haley K Studio. I'm Haley and I'm a digital artist and I sell my art online, but most of all, I love sharing art projects that you can do on your iPad. But just a few years ago, I was hardly even putting pencil to paper to draw anything. I've always been a creative person, and as a kid, I loved to draw and I dreamed of having a career in art, but I never pursued it. But then I started a family and then life got super busy. As a mom working a corporate 9-to-5 job, art was the first thing to go. Plus the worst part, I told myself that if I wasn't a professional artist, that it wasn't even worth doing. Because I took art too seriously, it stopped being fun, and so I just stopped doing it. And then I discovered you can make digital art on your iPad with Procreate. And for the first time in a long time, art felt possible again. And that changed everything. This is when I finally gave myself permission to be an artist, not because I had a degree or a fancy title or an art gallery, but because I loved it. Now I just create art that makes me happy. Sometimes I sell it, sometimes I share it, but most of all, I just do it, and that's enough. I'm here to show you that you can be an artist. You can express yourself creatively, just like you did when you were a kid. If you've put creativity on pause, it's time to play again. So grab your iPad and let's make art for fun together.